Yaya now. Tell me, is she went to your shop?
Huh. Have you got a phone? Just call him and ask him. Ask him to come soon. We have an appointment with the doctor.
How is your work going? Okay. Have you not sell anything yet? Don't worry, it will be. Oh, the mangoes looks really tasty. Huh? Hello, madam.
Where are you, Yaya? Come fast.
At the market, madam. Do you want something?
I don't want anything. Tell the driver he pick me as soon as possible.
Okay, madam. I'm telling the driver to pick you up.
It means you have no idea how important of today's day. Tell.
Yes, I know very well, madam. I have waited for it for more than 40 years. Madam's dream will finally come true. And from now on, no one can call my madam a dick girl. Am I right, ma'am?
Are you saying a dick girl?
How can you call her a dick girl, Yaya? She's just a nice girl.
Okay. Are you sure you don't want
I
anything?
have already told you.
Oh, it's look really tasty. Yes.
It's good for you. Bring that driver fast.
So what happened? What did she say? If she comes in, it'll be an easy thing for us.
Where is Annie?
Oh, she was just walking with us. I don't know where did she go.
Oh.
Annie?
Coming, sweetheart.
Hey, where did he go?
I went to poo.
Oh my god, that was so low class. You completed it, right? It doesn't look like.
Now I felt good.
Let's go.
And by the way, thanks for the shirt. I'm feeling really good because now I started working.
Just because of me.
I don't mean like that. Leave it. Today is our first day, so first day should be wonderful.
You're right.
Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah,
let's
come
go,
on,
let's go,
let's
let's go. He must
I
be
live,
waiting
I
for
don't
me.
drink, I go to work and I don't cry.
Yeah,
Come
you're
on,
right.
let's go. We are getting late.
Absolutely
I
right.
don't
Come on, come on.
drink, I go to work and I don't cry.
And listen, your fully focus should be
I
on your
live,
study.
I-
And your percentage should be on point. Okay?
Yeah, I
I
understood.
don't drink.
Will you be able to top again?
Yeah,
You
sure.
are never
Hey,
going
brother.
to get change. You're always like that.
Hey, wait. Hey,
Hey, thanks for the work, man.
never mind.
Bro, this is for you.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
See it?
Wow. A new shirt.
Hey, Mon, why is bus so late?
Don't worry, the bus will come soon.
Oh, late again.
Why are you in a hurry?
I want to go to class. Hello? Come on, get in.
Yes, come on, get in.
Yeah, get in. Come on.
Hey, what's up, you handsome guy?
So, how are you, brother?
You tell me.
Yeah, this is my brother's first day of driving.
Who?
Him. Hello,
how are you?
I am super sexy. How are you?
Will you go back again? Yes, definitely. Sit down.
Come on, get moving.
Yes, close the door.
I'll let the bus go.
Go.
Get the tickets. Hey, driver slow, okay? Keep the change ready. Just don't worry about it. The doctors here are really good.
Really?
The sex change services are really good over here.
Oh.
Yeah, I can guarantee you. Just trust me, okay? Just trust me. I need to go to the toilet.
But why you are going to toilet?
I just want to see it for the last time. And then, I'm gonna sacrifice it. I'm gonna miss it for life.
Hello, bye-bye.
Hey, wait for me there, okay? I'll come.
Hello, man.
Hello, but why you called me, ma'am?
Hey, you fool girl. Don't come
Oh.
behind me. Just wait here
Okay,
for me,
yes.
okay?
What are you searching,
A
man?
donkey. If I will not find him, I will kick you.
I think you need to meet doctor. Dr. Engluk is coming. Engluk is your patient, doctor. Can you see, please?
Oh, hello.
Are you the doctor?
Are you Cherry?
Yes, I am Cherry.
You have come on time.
Is this really you are a doctor?
Yes.
You are so beautiful. Let me see you back and front. You have a perfect figure. You can make my figure like this. Even I also want these kind of butts. I hope I will get a perfect figure from you. Very beautiful you are.
Hello, Joy.
Hello. What are you doing here?
He is going to treat me, am I right?
Oh no. She's not Dr. Younglock.
She is not Dr.
Young
England.
Locke.
Then who will operate me? Tell me. Tell me.
Dr. Aswork will do it.
Yeah, he'll do it.
Hello. 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 How's you, Cherry Auntie?
What is your name, doctor?
Aswork.
Oh, I am Cherry.
How can I help you?
Feel pleasure to meet you. Come on, let's go.
Hey, wait here. Don't judge the book by its cover. We need to wait and understand.
But just the cover is more than enough. Understand? Really, she is looking like an angel.
The other one looks superb.
I'm liking everyone.
She's the best.
Then go and let her operate you. Annie,
No, I'm already satisfied with my beauty.
Oh, shut
up.
Will you change your outfit now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Don't worry, I'll make it perfect.
Okay.
Get the tickets. Come on, get the tickets. Come on. Come on, get the tickets. Come on. Change. Where's your change? Yeah, come on, give me some change. Shut the door.
Will this bus go to the town only?
No. Stop the bus at the next stop. Open the door. Everyone be ready with the change. Yeah. Come on, get the tickets. Okay, great. Oh, today there are a lot of passengers.
Hey, what you are doing? 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 Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Hey! Leave me! What's it? What's it? Stop! What are you doing? Why do you want to do this? Stop it! Hey! Hold it! Hold it! What are you doing? Hey! What is he doing? Oh my God! Hey! Stop me! What are you doing? Firing is shooting! Hey! Stop it! Stop it! Come on! Come on, get the fuck out of here! Now. Oh my God! Oh, he's shooting! Run! Come on, run! Come on!
Did you see it? I didn't see anything. Oh no, they have come again. Oh, blood! Oh, blood! Blood! I'm shot! I'm shot! Blood! Oh,
What you shot? Shut up.
oh, I'm okay. Huh?
Have you got periods?
What are you saying? I'm a gay. Then who got shot? Hello, driver. This man has been shot. Oh no!
Mon, get up!
Hey!
Oh my God.
Mon, you're shot!
Bleeding!
Mon,
Someone help!
Mon!
He's bleeding badly. Come on,
Somebody call ambulance!
Take it fast!
Hey, Mon, are you okay?
Mon, hold on!
Someone
Ambulance,
help!
he's
You'll be
breathing!
The
all right.
man has been
You'll be
shot!
all right.
Stop!
Nothing will
Auto!
happen to you.
Please go towards the town! Oh, please fast!
Hey, stop!
What happened? Why are you not going? Please go fast!
Come on, fast!
I need to go to the town! Please,
fast.
stop.
Get him,
What
fast.
are you doing?
Fast. Make it
Hey,
quick.
what are you doing?
Go to the nearest hospital! Come on! Let's go!
Oh no! How are you, you, Joy? Are you nervous?
The thing is, I'm just getting scared a little bit. I just want to tell you that just clean everything, okay? Nothing should be left behind. Just clean everything.
Yes, you don't need to worry. I will make it very beautiful and nothing will left behind.
Oh my god, you're so lovely. And listen, make
Yes?
it as if it looks like it's a 4 years old. Alright?
Means like a 4 years old?
Yeah, you got it, right? You got it, yeah? You understand my feelings, right?
Okay.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, it's okay. Doctor,
Say.
although my old pussy is quite small, so for the new one, please make it deep. Will you make it very perfect?
I'll make perfect, don't worry.
I emphasizes on function.
Functions?
Yes.
Oh, you are changing on this age, you are so lucky.
At this age, your age also similar as our age.
Everybody is ready, start.
Okay.
Oh God, where are you?
Make it quick!
Why are you following
Come on,
me?
come on, come on, come on, come on,
Please keep quiet.
Make it quick! Overside, overside!
Wherever you.
Hurry up, hurry up!
Hey, is this the place to sell insurance?
I saw that he got hit. I've got a good insurance offer.
Idiot, first we need to take him to the hospital.
Yeah, okay.
Come on, fast.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Make it quick, make it quick, come on, come on!
Come on, take it fast.
Faster, faster!
Please, someone
Just shut up! You fool! Just get inside it!
Are you ready?
Hey, wait. You just be careful, okay? You should make it very deep.
Actually, the depth of the vagina is depend on your original organ, you know. As much as deep it is, the deeper it can be. Are you understanding what I am trying to say to you?
Oh, well, then there's nothing to worry about. Let's just start it.
Nothing will happen.
She is so beautiful and speaks so well.
Yes.
I don't want any kind of deep. I will come later.
Don't worry. Now it's getting late. Come on, let's start.
Yes.
I don't want this operation.
You are so annoying, you know, bitch.
You are right, actually.
Hey, come on, take him out.
Come on, get him out, get him out. Come on, get him out. Get him out.
Come on, open the door, open the door. Come on, somebody call the doctor. Try to see my brother. Shut up. Come on, come on.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Let me go inside.
Come on, make some way.
Make some way. Keep him here. Doctor, just take
Mohan,
care
are
of
you
him.
okay?
Listen,
Mohan,
bring him
don't worry,
here.
I'll do- Somebody please call doctor.
Just wait. Doctor is coming. He's doing operation right now.
Please give me
My
sight.
brother
Please
is
go
about to
out.
die.
Please come down.
Please go
We'll
out.
take care of him.
Please go out and wait outside. Please go.
Just be
Please go.
patient.
Hey, please stop. My bag is left behind. Go back.
Oh, damn it. What happened? Oh, shit.
Stop. Wait here. Listen, you stay here. I will go get in my bag. Please wait here. Don't go. My bag. Actually, I'm looking for my bag.
Go find yourself.
Yes, I came here searching for it only.
I don't have it.
Why are you
I
carrying
know
it?
nothing about it.
What are you not carrying? I bought this bag from the market only. My bag is around his shoulder.
Oh, okay. How am I carrying it on my shoulder? This is yours. Keep your bag with you.
Oh, my baby. You are lucky that it is okay. Otherwise, I would have been killed you. Do you understand?
Whatever is it, I've got nothing to do with that, okay? Do you understand that?
What?
I'll hit you on your face.
I will also hit
Just
you
get
back,
back.
you know? Come on, hit me.
I don't want to see you again.
Leave it. Go and take it.
Auto. Auto. Oh no. Where is the auto now? How can I go back to the town now?
Mohan, you'll be fine soon.
Please wait outside. Don't worry, he will be all right.
Mohan,
Please.
Mohan.
Do you want to buy an insurance for him?
Please wait here.
How cheap these patients are. I have not seen these type of patients, really.
Mine is also crazy. Hard to distinguish it from a cow's. And he wants it like a 4 years old. It's such a droop and dark. I can't say anything properly. Yuck. Forget about it. Just attach it as it is like before.
Bitch.
Apenia. It's okay now. Please take this. Apenia. Why not anesthesia working?
The anesthesia which China gives, which always works.
Miss Apenia, what is imported from China? Anesthetic or tear gas?
It is anesthesia, ma'am. Young ma'am, how much is the remaining?
It's half done.
Oh! If you'll do this thing again, I'll stab you to death.
Oh, when will come my number? I have waited too long.
I also not have much time left with me.
But it's okay. This is the best place. Don't worry at all.
Whatever the doctor does, it makes you beautiful.
But for that auntie, this is the end of her life, and she'll come back on next life.
It's so confusing, right?
Hey, can we afford such a luxury hospital?
I think you're right. Looks very expensive.
Hello? Wang, sir? It's me, Mai. I've got in some trouble, sir. Sir? Is it DA? DA, it's Mai. DA, please answer me. DA, please answer me.
What happened?
I don't know what's wrong. Oh God, please help, please help. Oh God, help. Oh God.
Hello? Annie? Is she done? Please send the driver to pick me up. I'm not getting any bus or taxi. Which hospital? Yes. Then send the driver when she's done. I'm waiting here.
Hey, there's the good news. The money has been arranged.
Yes. Oh, seriously?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, that's great, man. Yeah.
Why can't you wait for me? Such a weird auto driver. How annoying. I will get sick seeing her face. Excuse me? What are you doing here?
For plastic surgery.
Of your whole face?
Yes, something like this.
I will get restless if I am a doctor.
What do you do here, auntie?
I'm not your damn auntie.
What's up, fat girl? You came back again.
So, what is your problem?
Hey, Mai. See this.
Come on, leave that.
Hey, just see this.
Hey,
Hey, whose bag is it?
But whose bag
Yours?
is this?
But whose bag is it?
I don't know.
You really don't know? Now listen to me. Nobody should know that there is a bomb in this bag. Otherwise, we are all going to screwed.
Yeah, he's right.
Bomb! There is a bomb inside his bag!
Hey, shut up. Be quiet. Shut up. Shut up.
Just don't trust her, okay? There's nothing in the bag.
Listen, I'll be back.
You will keep your mouth shut, okay?
He has a bomb! Oh,
He's mad.
can't say anything.
I'll kill you.
He has bomb.
What?
He has bomb.
What bomb?
What he saying?
I don't know. I don't know what he's talking. I don't know what he's saying.
He is carrying a bomb.
Excuse me, who come with this patient?
Yes, I'm there. Moon! How's Moon now?
Your brother is in coma. We have to operate him immediately. But doctor is not available now.
Are you mad or what?
I'm so sorry, but this time doctor is not free.
Don't worry. I'm here. Give me the back, please. Yes,
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Give it to me.
Are you
What
mad?
are they doing here?
But what will you do with that bomb?
Hey! Shut up!
He has a gun.
What are you saying? Come on, get moving.
How do you know where's the operation room?
You just keep going, okay?
I'll handle it.
Yeah, come on,
What
move
are you
it.
doing? Where are you going? What's going on? What's
Okay, you all don't worry, just wait.
What are you doing?
Move aside.
Move aside.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Come on, make some way.
What's
Come
happening
on.
now?
Hey.
Where are you going?
Bring me to the operation room now.
Okay.
Hurry up, Tom.
Come on, get him in.
Doctor, Moon. Doctor, there is
Get
an
him in.
emergency. Doctor,
Quick.
my brother has been shot.
Quick.
Doctor, please do the operation. Doctor, please.
Please forgive me. I have just operated one testicle of my patient.
And I had just cut a penis and 2 testicles and left.
Please, anyhow, save my brother, please. Please, doctor,
No,
do something, doctor. Doctor,
Please. Wait a minute. Will you do it? Will you do
I'm a
it now?
beauty surgeon. I can't do this. Please understand.
Don't do it then.
Okay. Bring him here. I'll do it.
Come on, make it
come
quick.
on, do it fast, doctor. Come on.
What are you doing? You pushed him.
Doctor, please do the operation, doctor. The bullet is not over yet. It's here. Doctor, please.
Come on, fast.
Doctor, come here, doctor.
Okay, I'm seeing.
Won't be patient.
I have told you that I'm a beauty surgeon. I can't take off the bullet. Why you are not understanding?
So you won't do it.
Doctor, please take it.
Give me knife fast.
Moon, be patient, Moon. Moon, everything will be okay. You'll be fine soon. Doctor, please hurry up.
I told you that I'm a beauty surgeon. I don't know this work.
Okay, I'll remove the pin then. Will you do it or not?
Give it down.
Let me see. Let me see.
Doctor, everything will be okay, right?
Brother,
Yes.
where's the pin?
What?
No, we are all fucked up.
Come on, try to find that pin. Otherwise, we're all going to die. See, come on, fast. See it. Fast. Hey, who turned off the light?
Who did it? Not able to find the pin.
Hey, what are you doing? Where are you going? Nothing. Come on, hurry up.
Don't try to
Hurry
run
up.
away.
Come on,
Or else
hurry
there's
up.
bomb.
Okay,
There's
okay.
bomb. I saw this bomb right.
Doctor, what are you doing?
What is this?
This is a bomb.
What is happening?
Not in target.
Listen, there is a police. Oh my god, what they going to do?
What are they going to do?
I don't
What they're
understand.
going to do? What's going on, guys? Quietly.
Listen,
Go and check that side. If you can see some more policemen.
Yes.
Did anyone see anything?
No, we haven't seen anything.
If you have seen it, you will not live longer.
No, we haven't seen anything.
Now, Sid, have you seen anything?
Nothing.
Please don't do this, please.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey!
No, I don't know anything. I'm just going to close the door. Huh?
Come here.
Yes, sir.
I'll do that myself.
Yes.
Did you see anything?
No, I see no one shoot anyone.
Hey!
Yes.
I just killed a policeman. Haven't you seen it?
Yes, I have seen. You have shot 2 bullets and the policeman died.
I did not shoot.
Okay, then who shot?
You just have to say that I did not kill
Yes,
him.
I will say everyone that I have not seen you shooting
Are
anyone.
you eating up my head?
Yes, I'm leaking.
I shot?
Yes.
Are you confused?
Yes.
I'm more confused than you. Sit down.
Yes.
Do you want to take a life insurance for your life?
But what will I get from it?
With that, you'll get a lot of money, like 40 lakhs after you die.
Oh, what a good deal it is. Keep quiet. I can't spend money after that.
Great. You do it for yourself, and then I'll take that money.
What is your name? I will put it in the nominee.
Nadich Kumiko.
Nadej Kumiko. Looking like as the name of a king.
Sit down.
Yeah, yes.
And you also, stop selling insurance.
There is no police outside.
Yeah, everyone, come in here.
Yes, come on, let's go.
Come on, hurry up.
We have to shift your brother as he has a lot of blood loss. His blood group is also very rare. This is also not available here.
He is bleeding very badly. I can take this out, but bullets are so deep. If not take out, he'll definitely die.
How many bullets are there in his body? And how do I know?
He will be fine. Mr. Vorawat, you please immediately go to the blood bank and search for ORH negative blood group. And don't be late if you get it.
Yes. Listen, do it fast. Use the elevator.
Are you awake?
I think his foot is already awake.
What we will do, Bass?
I don't know. I don't know when we will get back home.
We must wait for Mai.
Come on, fast. Doctor, this way. Doctor.
Hey, Mai!
Fast. Finally, they are back.
Oh my God!
Where are they? Hey, what happened to you?
I'm getting scared.
It's your friend. He killed a cop.
What? He killed a cop?
See?
Madam! Joy!
Oh no.
Back off! Madam, these guys are damn evil! They have kept us as hostages and they have also killed a policeman! Joy, please help us! Madam, please help us, madam!
Sit down. Sit down.
Hey, you. Why did you shoot the cop?
What if he arrests me?
But why will he arrest you?
The gold that you have, I've stolen it.
For this? You shot a cop?
There's a lot besides this.
Where is it now?
I dropped them.
Dropped?
They are dropped along the way.
Drop? What the hell? What will you do next?
You should help me right now.
You're such a troublemaker.
What are you doing? I'll shoot you.
So shoot it. Shoot me.
Oh my God, I got shot.
What is this?
It's a bomb.
That's a bomb.
What happened? happened to all of you?
What happened? It's right there, you idiot!
Oh, what a landing.
Thank
We
God.
are safe.
Oh God, what happened? Thank God. Oh my God. Oh.
Hey, police are coming!
What is police doing here? To capture you.
Please go on.
Oh my God! Hey, don't let anyone go
Don't
outside.
shoot unnecessarily because it will cause even more trouble.
Go! I think I'm gonna die here. Come save us, please.
Are you hurt, madam? Are you okay, ma'am?
Nothing happened to me, but the needle came out.
Where are you feeling pain?
Just a little more.
I didn't die yet! I
Help
didn't
me.
die yet! I'm alive!
Damn it, Annie! Don't push me like that.
No, don't go! Wait!
Madam, bomb. The bomb is dropped.
It fails to explode.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Madam,
I'm feeling very much pain, Yaya.
Get up,
Please
ma'am.
help me. You say anything.
Damn it, that ambulance. Hey, Mark, come in here.
please forgive me, ma'am.
Don't
this
talk
is because of
stupid.
the anesthetic. You know, madam, you have come here for operation.
What nonsense you are talking. Say.
Hey, come in here. See. Did your friends call them? Hey, what happened to you?
This hideous thing? That ambulance is police van. How idiot he is. Idiot.
Who is he?
Idiot.
Brother, what should we do now?
I don't know what to do. Keep watching.
Why did you stop me at the door? I was about to get saved.
Yeah, take it easy, Annie. I'm sorry. I thought I've been shot.
Oh, like that? People like you just don't die like that. We need to put up a big rod like this behind you and then you will die, you idiot. This is how you grow. It's because of you it's paining here. You just get lost. Go. Get the door locked. I'll handle over here.
Oh, patient. Hey, Mohan.
Yaya, it is very paining.
Just has been operated, that's
Please
why,
look
madam.
at there.
Easy.
Easy. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
What happened, doctor?
We have to shift him immediately to another hospital. He has a lot of blood loss. We don't have the blood group here as he has a rare group of blood, and moreover, this is a plastic surgery hospital. Are you getting my words, sir?
What are you trying to say?
Listen, sir. We have done whatever we can do for your brother, sir.
Yes, got it.
Doctor,
Yes?
I got the ORS negative blood in stock. There are 2 bottles.
Very good. Save it for now. I will get it whenever you needed it.
Okay.
Yes. Did you listen, Mon? You're going to get free.
Yes.
Now we have to move your brother to the germ-free room. Otherwise, he will get infected by the germs. Are you understanding? So shall we?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah,
come on.
Yes,
Come on,
that
open
way.
the door.
Yeah, okay.
Come on,
Let's
come on,
go.
fast.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is it, madam?
I'm feeling pain.
Why did she did like this?
How can I tolerate feeling pain? What about yours?
Oh my God! They've only cut the balls and not the whole thing. Now how will I roam around with this thing hanging?
I know that both of you are in pain. Annie's gonna bring some painkiller for you.
Well, you're really good. Doctor Yang, like you're of no use.
Doctor, I will.
I'm here, don't worry, I'm here.
Where did you go?
I went to bring medicine for you.
What kind of medicine is this? Hey, Mark. Policemen are coming.
Madam!
What happened,
The
madam?
police have came to save us! Madam!
Sir,
What's going on inside?
the suspects are armed. They've killed one officer. And they have locked the door from inside, sir.
What happened?
What happened to you?
Oh my god.
Move it.
Stop. Sir, my friends are inside. Please save them.
Please,
Sir, should we break into?
Let me figure out from outside first.
Yeah, you're right. I don't want to die.
How can you say like that? We are the brave policemen, no?
Oh, really?
Yes, really. Yes, okay. Hey,
What happened?
Madam!
what happened now?
Damn it, man. There's police outside.
It's all because of you. It's all because of you.
It's because of me.
Yes,
For whom did I come here?
for me.
Wait.
What's going on?
What do we get from this?
Oh my god.
Are you no more friends?
Yes. For now, we are. But I can't guarantee for the future.
You guys are surrounded now. Don't try to be smart.
Get yourself surrender and get out of here. This is only the way you have.
Can't you listen? The police is calling you! What will you do now?
Go to hell.
I think you should come down now.
Captain, how will handle this situation? Please tell me.
We are going to make them fool.
Yes, we'll make them fool.
And call me Captain Posh.
Okay, Captain Poch. Poch. Okay. Okay.
Release all the hostages.
Right now, this is my last warning.
Immediately.
Immediately.
Okay. I'll let them go.
Nice.
Sir, you have a mastermind.
Damn it. Where are the keys?
What?
Hey, Mark. Just check your bag.
Where do you kept it?
I don't have it with me.
Brother, it is not here.
Free them right now.
Free them right now.
Leave them.
Now!
I can't do it.
Why not?
Why not?
You need to shut up.
Yes.
I've lost the keys.
Lost the keys?
How can this is possible? You guys are lying.
I'm not lying. Damn it.
Joy and madam, you please try to make them fight with each other. I will go and open the door. Then you all run.
Where are the keys?
Tell me, is this your friend? He will ruin your life, I'm damn sure. Whatever you are doing is not a good thing. You will be doomed. I'm guaranteed. You are very bad guys. He insulted you. I heard it. He said that your father died. He just said that.
Not just that. He also said that one day you will turn into gay.
Hey, you. Why are you saying gay, gay? What are you talking?
I just said gay.
What are you talking about?
I just said gay.
Oh, you guys, don't bother from him. What? Tell
Are
me.
you forgetting that even you are a gay? You're a gay?
What
Do you
kind
understand
of
that?
gay you are saying? Oh, really? But there is a lot of respect of this gender in New Zealand, you know? Oh, how she will help you. She don't have a guts. I helped you. Don't you remember it?
I haven't come here because of you. I've come here because of
Don't
Ria.
take any kind of tension. It's okay. I will
Just
handle
show me
it.
your weird face.
I don't want to listen any kind of conversation.
We're friends, right?
Yes, I did wrong.
Just listen. Just
Keep
calm
calm.
down. Okay?
Keep calm.
I'll show you right now. Wait.
Oh, you touch me and you hit me. How dare are you?
Don't teach me. You okay?
I
Don't
will
teach
show
me.
you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is a perfect time.
Hey, Captain. Is somebody there has been shot or what?
Whoever has taken the key, I'll kill him. Hey,
Yes?
what are you doing over there?
I'm just checking whether the police are standing outside or they have gone.
She seized it when you're fighting together.
Well, it was very fun while taking, but there was a bundle of keys.
Madam? Joy?
What?
Please keep quiet.
Oh,
Shut up, just shut up.
I'm just
Hey,
trying to help you all.
Have you
and
taken the
are-
keys?
I have not
Tell me the
taken.
truth over here, or else
Hey,
I'll kill you right now.
Wait.
Wait, don't
Leave him,
fight.
stop him.
Just
Stop.
move away.
quiet.
Just move away. Hey, listen. If you shoot, even I'll shoot you.
And if you shoot me, I'll shoot your trunk.
Sir, I think you can't fight with him with this small knife. Huh?
If somebody gets in between, no. So,
Now it's too much. Yeah. If I am here, you don't do anything with Yaya. Don't underestimate me.
no, no, no.
Yaya.
Yeah.
Yaya. Yaya, my leg.
Oh my god.
Yaya.
What has happened?
Look at that. Oh my god, prick. What did you just do?
Be careful. Oh my god, be careful.
What will I do now? Yes, madam. Just now see my magic.
Oh my god. Oh my god, wait.
You mad? I will die like this. Oh my god.
Just a little bit more.
It won't come out like that. You will have to move it. You will have to move it like this.
This is my leg, not a fun game. Don't do with this knife, otherwise I will die.
Sit down.
Shut up.
Those who are inside,
Tell me your decision. If you'll not release them, we are going to break in.
and we will come inside.
Just keep calm. Hey, Mark. Just go upstairs and see if there's a way to go out. And take this. Keep talking to the police. Buy some more time. I'll see what I can do.
You all need the key, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah. Follow me.
Let's go.
Hey, come on. Let's go.
Let's go. Easy.
Oh, it's over there.
They are doing something, sir. Reach your hand out.
Come on. Come on, try.
You can do it.
Go ahead.
Come on,
Come on, go
Cheer
ahead.
for Yaya.
You can do it. You can do it. Little more. Get close. Go very
Yaya is thinking that she should change the position.
Okay.
Yes, you can do it.
Yes, come on. Come on, get there. You can do it. Come on, try. Very close. Come on, push your face over. You can do it. Yes.
Yes, you can do it. Yes.
Right.
Yes, you can do it.
Come on. come on, get the keys. Come on, get the keys. Put your hand over there. Come on. Hey, what are you doing?
Picking the key.
Why don't you just say to the police guys to give the keys? Why are you worrying so much?
Don't. I'll do it myself. Mr. Police. Hey, can you please pick the key for me?
Don't bother. Yaya is picking it up. It's almost done. Yaya will pick it up. Mr. Police, you don't worry.
What the hell are you doing, you fat girl?
I am picking up the key.
Oh, how did it go there?
Yaya threw it.
Oh, you did that.
Yes.
Oh, my
Just be
leg.
patient.
Madam.
Yeah.
You are really a very big trouble.
There is an exit upstairs.
That's good. Let's go then.
They are not with us.
Take them with us. Oh my God. And take care of them.
Nadich, bring Mon too.
Okay,
Come
okay,
on.
let's go.
Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Yes, you two
Yes,
come with
yes,
me.
we will
Hey, you
go.
too.
Let's do.
Come back here. Come back.
Easy.
Why is he calling me now?
I don't know, man. Come on.
Come on.
Mon.
Yeah, come on.
Easy,
Come
easy.
on. Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, okay.
let's go.
I have some trick for the police.
Give me the keys. I'm opening this.
It's really very small and I don't think it will climb up on the wall.
Inspector,
Yes.
untie them.
Yes, Captain Poch. Whatever you say, I'll do.
Good. Inspector Jackie.
Yes, sir.
Go and check inside.
Yes, sir.
Captain Porch, is there any orders for me?
Check the dead body.
I'm a police, not an undertaker.
Shut up and go inside.
Yeah, okay, follow me.
Where the hell are they?
They are upstairs and I don't know where are they now. Captain, we have got some significant evidence, sir.
What is this?
I found at the CCTV area. There should be some evidence, sir.
Good. Let's go. Move from here.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Oh, you're so good. You're so lovely. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Yes, let's go. Do it
Oh
fast.
my God, you're so
Come on,
helpful.
quick.
Come from here.
Come on, from
Yes,
here.
do it quickly.
Inside. Come from here.
Hey,
That's way.
just keep going that way.
They are very bad. Their gang must deal Captain Poch.
Yes. I'll not let them go. They all are trying to be smart. I'm gonna kill them.
Come on, this way.
Come on, move. Move fast. Yes, we are going to get rich. Come on. There must be around some cherries. What do you think?
Carrie.
Your face scares me so scary.
Oh,
Easy,
careful,
careful,
okay?
careful,
Easy,
Don't worry,
move.
everything will be okay. Everything will be okay.
Yes, you're all right.
Moving,
You're all right. We are going to get
Come on, keep moving, keep moving.
There.
Hey, stop! They're in that street. Take reverse. Come on.
Okay, sir.
Come on, fast. Come on, move. Yes, we're almost reached.
Please hurry up.
Come on, get in. Come on, get in. Come on, get in the car. Come on.
Come on, get in.
Madam. What is it?
Come on, get in the car. Come on, sit down. What are you doing? What are you doing?
See, I have never chased some thieves. Now I am feeling very happy. Yay! Woo!
Who the hell are you
Just shut
guys?
up.
What are you doing in my car?
We are driving, can't you see?
Who are you? Why you are not understanding? Why you in my car? What you are doing?
Just shut up. Don't touch me. Shut up.
Why you are not understanding? Please try to understand. I have a bomb in my helmet.
Oh my God. Shit.
I'm telling you, please stop the car.
Oh my God.
Please
we'll
stop
die.
the car.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing, guys?
Will you please
Just
shut
shut
up? He's coming. Ask him why he's following us. Make it quick. Come on, fast, move it.
What is happening?
Captain, why do they shoot each other? They are following this Jake. There was a lot of car. Why did you choose this? This is a garbage.
How will I come to know?
Come on, you shoot from behind.
Hey, follow him, fast.
Fast, make it quick.
Please leave me. Let me go, please.
I'll make it quick. Come on, fast.
Hey, idiot! Shoot that way.
Leave me, please. Leave me.
Come on,
Don't worry. If needed, the left side will go fast.
Oh my God, it's in my side. Will you kill me? You'll kill me.
Come on, give me the gun, please.
Yeah.
Please load it fast. Load it
Look in
fast.
front. What are you doing? Focus.
What are you doing? Give me the gun. Madam, load the gun.
I can't do.
Not on my side.
Please do it fast.
Come on.
You can only shoot, right? What do you think of yourself?
Save me, please.
Give me some sight.
Whoa!
If I live, I'll definitely take. Tell this fatty to go away from this.
Please hold the steering and watch the road.
Oh my God. Hold it. Leave me. I make it quick. We are about to reach.
What's the problem? Why you guys are following? Oh shit!
Why do they enter this lane? Such a narrow road.
Hey, be careful.
Hey, what are you doing? Just be careful. What are you doing? Be
Be
careful.
careful. Do something fast.
Just do something. Oh my God! Oh my God! Save me! Come on, quick!
Faster than me.
Come on!
Do we help him?
Yeah, come on! What are you doing? Make it quick!
What are you saying?
Keep calm and say why you don't. Get ready for my shot.
Oh my God, she's shooting! Look forward! Take it properly! Do it easy!
Madam, be careful. Are you okay?
There is nothing okay right now.
Yes. Please don't play with this gun.
Nadej! Hey! Why did you push him down?
Mai, let's go.
Let's go. Can't you see they are coming? Let's go. Hey, leave
Give me the gun. Give me the gun. Give me the gun.
No, give me the gun! I'll
What
shoot
are you
you!
doing?
I'll shoot you!
Oh my God!
What do you want?
Let's go.
Slowly, madam. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Are you fine?
Why did you
Yes,
push
I'm
Nadej
okay.
down?
I'm feeling so much pain.
He was trying to shoot my husband.
Oh, my legs.
So it was your husband who was shooting from behind.
Yes.
Oh my God! I want to sit
Please
here.
sit, madam.
You moron.
Joy. Where is Joy?
Maybe he is in the washroom. He was very scared when everyone was shooting. Madam, don't think about other. Think about yourself.
Hey, listen. Give me your car keys.
Where are you going, Mart?
I've forgotten something in car. Coming in 1 minute.
Where are you going?
Don't you hear what I say?
Go. And don't be smart.
They have already captured your friend Nadek.
It's because of you.
I saw you. You and your friend were driving the car wearing helmet. From which country are you? Are you people mad? I don't want to wear it, but I can't take it off. Why? Why can't you take it off? Tell me.
Because there is a bomb in it.
Do you think I'm going to believe on your words? You moron! Come on, let me pull it off.
What are you doing?
Give it to me. See, we can wear it. See, like this. Have you seen it?
Hey, why are you here?
I think you're gonna escape from here.
No way, I already come this far.
And if you'll escape,
I already told you I'll not run.
Mark is screwed.
Madam, what we will do now?
Don't come here.
Madam, who is she, madam? What we will do now? She must have done something.
Who are you? I have played casino at Governor's place. I have lost there. And their people are following me for capturing me.
Is he the governor?
He is not governor. His name is governor.
And what happened with the Natik?
Other issues can wait. The bomb is on my head.
Please stop talking and let's help him.
Yes, what to
What
do
to
now?
do?
What to do?
We need to cut this wire.
Madam,
Which wire?
please check the wire
Oh my
quickly.
God. Many wires.
There are many wires.
It's so many.
But which one is the right wire?
This red one.
The red one, madam.
Most over 15 wires.
Oh, shit.
All of them are red. Which one should I cut? Madam.
Hey, listen. Wake up.
Are you really do all such things?
It's not what you think.
What?
Are you out of your mind? I'll go to help Narik now. And also rob Governor's place.
Rob?
Who are you?
What are you rubbish?
you're gonna rob?
Yes.
I will not join you in robbery. I have never did robbery.
I recognize you very well.
Even if I don't know you, then how can I help in your robbery? Hey, do you think I can rob?
Who are you? I really don't know
I
you.
remember only Joy. I don't recognize anyone here.
Carefully look at me, sis.
Who are you anyway? Tell me.
I am the pizza delivery man. At the bank, you have stolen all the money. I saw that.
Do you want some old queer?
Okay, it's all right. This is for you.
You don't want any queer? Then I will not disappoint you. Really, I'm saying truth.
Who is he?
I know him. He is a delivery boy. He came for delivery.
Hey, prick, did you really rob a bank? Why did you do this in your life? This is so wrong.
Evil.
Low life.
Bad life.
Vicious.
Don't seize an opportunity. What happened with your face?
Are you really want to know?
What would you like to tell me?
Okay. My brother was chased. And I helped him. Then I went to jail. Take one away! Go! After that, I went to jail.
That was so bad.
Then, why I come with you?
Because I know you have already robbed some bank.
But he was dead.
It doesn't matter at all. Hey, you all wait here.
Listen, Miss Annie,
Yes?
are you sure that they are here? Everything here looks like abandoned.
Hello, doctor.
Oh, he's there.
Yeah. And how's everything else? Hello. How did she come here? Doctor, you have come here with your best friend?
I got some clothes for my sister.
Then definitely I will lead this robbery because I know it. How to do robbery. While doing so, we must use this code. Yaya,
Yes, madam.
your duty is to create the code and tell me what's our code.
Yes.
Once again, tell.
Aya,
Very good.
you give me your everything without touching me.
Done. Then our code is Aya. For this, you have to give something. You
Yes,
have to.
madam.
Everything. Give me everything. You, all of you. Very beautiful you have to look. This is the concept for our robbery. Understood, everyone?
Beautiful. I'm screwed.
Tell me, what's his governor's place?
Don't underestimate him. He keeps billions in cash in his place.
Billions?
And his daughter Bridge has worth more than 100 crores. You are getting my point?
Oh.
His daughter must be beautiful, just as Miss Universe.
Now who is he? Hey,
Okay, I
guys.
will not do this. We will not go governor's place. Everyone understand?
Oh, you just said it. You have just said it. Oh my god.
What are you doing here?
Hey, listen. Doctor. Dr. Younglik has bought blood for us.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Joy! Joy, my sister. I've missed you a lot. How are you? Are you alright? Now I'm gonna stay with you only. I promise
Shut up.
you.
Just shut up. Don't touch me. It's all happening because of
Where have you
you.
been yesterday?
When did we meet last time? You're talking as if you know me for a while.
Joy. I called her to bring clothes for us.
You take care of me so much.
So it's done. We will rob governor's place.
What? Robbery? Oh my god.
Okay, goodbye then.
Stop. Sit quietly. You have already heard everything. You can't go outside.
What? I heard. I didn't heard anything.
Then I will assign your duty. You there? You there? I'm going
Hey,
now.
listen. Sit down, prick. Just sit down.
Why should I sit?
Make us understand.
Don't say like this, madam. No one has
Then
understood
fine.
that's
You have
right.
to make arrangement for a vehicle, and you found a place.
All right.
Everybody knows their responsibilities.
Yes.
You understand? So do whatever I'm saying.
Okay.
So this meeting is over. Then we will do robbery in governor's place.
Rob? Rob? Whoa. This is not a palace. Is this the embassy?
Hey, come on, make it quick. Come on, quick. What do you want from me? This way. I can do it. Come on, help me. Hey, what is it in this box? There are guns in this box. Oh my god, guns! Oh my god. Why are you standing? Come on, help us. Which one shall I pick? Come on. This one? Yeah, come on, pick it up. Oh, this is so big. Make it quick. Oh my god, I cannot do it. Come, please help me.
Which one? This
Pick it
one.
up.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's so heavy. Oh my god, help me.
Hold on. Okay, I'm doing it.
Not this one. Just this up. Pick this one. Come up. Hold it. Hey, come on.
Yes,
Keep
yes,
going.
slowly.
No, not that way. We need to go upstairs.
Okay. I'm sorry.
come on,
You go
quick.
first. Yeah, I'll go first.
Hold
I'll
it.
go first.
Hold
Okay.
it tight.
Listen. As madam sends me there, I have made a map of that place. Listen. They told me. Yeah. You start the meeting.
Then tell us what we do.
This is the governor's place. This is the wide one-story building.
No, this place is two-story building.
The next one to it.
Stupid.
Okay. This is the car's place. Governor's place has two-story here. It is located near the police station. And there are lots of guards here. You know, this is a very large place. I need a very beautiful girl with me in order to distract them. It's very hard to row from there. There are so many guards there.
Do you believe that it's very dangerous?
It's not dangerous more than your face.
Mom!
Do you tease me?
I called my mom.
Huh?
Mom!
Okay. But I will not involve in this robbery. I will just distract the guys.
After that, listen to me. After finishing robbery, car and drive to, we will come to road number 304. Then right, turn right again. Then go straight. Then we will take a famous Chia salted eggs. Listen to me. Stop playing these eggs. And carefully listen to me what I'm going to say. We will go road number 304.
You should let him close
Cover.
first.
Cover your eggs.
Okay.
Hey, Tune.
Let's continue. We will go road number 304, turning right. Okay? Then we
Bas,
will turn like this.
Is May
then
really
right,
going to rob? Yes.
left. Are you listening all? Who will drive the car?
That I can do.
You will drive?
No.
Then why are you saying you will do?
I'll do this work.
I will cancel your contract. Can you do it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Then we will arrive to the cave. Understood?
Yes.
Yes,
absolutely,
yes.
Get it.
I think we got
They will include us in robbery also? I don't know, buddy.
Now listen to me. Somebody's watching us.
Yes, go.
Listen to him, madam.
What? What is it?
Somebody was watching from outside.
Go check it.
Hey, Tune, go.
Just wait and watch. I'll catch them.
Teung. That.
Hey, Tune. What?
Are you ready?
Hi, sweetheart.
Listen to me. I think everything is alright. But I don't know how to use this taxi.
Yes. Who is in the car department, madam?
My? Does anyone know where is he? Where is my?
He's there. There he is.
Come quickly.
Is the group is ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay. Please hold this.
What happened?
Is anyone here? Please open the door, please. Okay. Bye.
Oh, I'm not getting entered. What can I do? Oh, he's slipping down. What can I do?
Madam. Is it okay?
Ayya, give me all that egg without hurting any us. There is no one here. Any? Please shout. Here is nobody.
I just remember one thing.
Huh?
They just go out all during the day. Then we can do our robbery comfortably.
Hey, money. Oh God, it is a lot of money.
Let's go.
Oh wow! There's so much of money.
Lot of money.
So much
lot of
money.
money.
What is so hasty?
Lots of money. Oh my God!
Oh my
Where's
God.
so much money?
Don't
Oh my
be
God.
panicked. Pick up slowly
I'm
and then go.
mesmerized.
Madam,
What?
what about the bomb on my head?
But what should I do with this bomb now? Huh?
Hey, what are you doing? We haven't rescued Natty yet.
Oh, we must rescue him too. Take this money, you scoundrels. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
You
leave
also
this.
take it.
Come on, follow me.
But
Come with me.
But
Yaya, Joy, come together. Please tell me one thing. Where we are going all together?
I will go and see the bridge.
Oh.
And I will also find Pooh's two husband so they can dismantle the bomb from my head.
You, wash the money. If you see someone, you scare them. Understood?
Yes. Ho-ha.
Don't say okay. You should be alert. You both of you, wash this money. Nobody will take this.
Okay,
Yes, okay.
Be careful. Be careful.
Madam, we have found that 1 million bridge.
Hey, you. Who are you? Show me your face.
Oh. I think we should wait here. We should go afterwards.
Yes. No, I want to see my brother.
No. Wait here. Wait here.
Hey, wait here. Hey, let's go from here. Yes, let's hide. Hide. Come on.
What does her face look like?
I'm thinking that.
Yes, I remember. Her face is like a sick puffer.
No, not a sick puffer. She is looking very fed up. No one visit with her.
She looks like a lizard. I think she's cute until she don't smile.
What a lame face. It's yours. Oh, look at her. She can talk also. Yaya, you go and capture her because your face is similar with her. But you are so beautiful. Go, Yaya.
You are a bitch, you know.
Don't worry about me. I'm safe here. We all are safe here. Nobody is going to do anything here.
I think boss has come.
We are gone now. Now what to do?
Let's fight.
Such a beautiful place. Such a beautiful place.
What are you doing?
I like this place very much. Nobody is going to hurt us here.
okay.
Madam, madam.
Hey,
What are you doing here? Don't you go to rescue Najik?
why do you come here?
Yeah. Why did you all came here?
Look at there. I bring the bridge here for you.
And where is she now?
There she is. Huh? What?
Ooh.
Hey, look, there's someone there.
Shut up.
Come on, hide.
I'm very much happy here. Where is everyone? Hello? Where all you have gone? Hello? Who is here? Where are you all? Come on, come here. My sweet daughter, where are you?
I've captured him.
Hey, keep quiet.
Oh God. What kind of sound is this?
Yes,
I'll check it.
I'll do it, okay?
Okay.
Hey, stop. Hey, stop.
Where are you?
Stop.
Leave me!
Where are you?
Let me go!
Listen, where is he?
Even I also want to know.
Najik.
Nadik!
Leave me.
Nadik!
Where are you?
Ah,
I'm here. I'm here.
leave
Nadik is
me.
upstairs.
Upstairs.
Come on.
Yeah, but I'll also
said
come.
leave me.
You take care of him.
What are you
Hey,
doing?
just take care of yourself, okay?
I said leave me. What are you doing in my house?
Nadik!
What do you want
What
here?
happened?
What do you
Who
want?
is captured by two bodyguards?
What bodyguards?
There are so many bodyguards.
Where is my friend?
I think he's here. Come on.
Yeah, okay. Where were you all this while? They would have killed me.
Hey, are you okay?
Why are you wearing all this?
Yeah, it is a long time story.
Just untie me.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Leave boss and her daughter. Understand?
Don't you hear that? Else I kill her.
Hey, listen. Let's do a deal. You
leave me.
release Pooh, and then take out my bomb. We will release your boss if you defuse the bomb. Go back. They will kill us. Yeah.
What happened?
I think we'll wait here only. Why you scared? I have a bomb.
What?
What happened?
About the bomb?
What are you doing?
Why did you come back?
in my house?
What do you want?
I'm not
We're
running.
not your friends. Just get away from here. Go.
Why it's not plastic?
You haven't pulled the pin.
Oh yes. You should not come back to lie here like this.
Where are you taking me? Listen, you're treating me
They
like
are
a dog.
taking
Oh no,
him.
Joy, go fetch the fuse for me. I will cover you.
Are you mad? Do you want me to die?
It's the cover shot.
Why did you
Come
shoot?
quickly.
Hold it. I'll come. I'll just come.
Where are you going? Save my daughter. Save my
I
daughter.
don't know. What did you shoot? Just hold it. Listen. Just hold it.
Yeah. But why did you shoot?
So that I can scare them. Hey.
Oh my God!
Take this, you idiots.
Wait, madam. If I take out the wire, it will explode, right?
Don't be over smart.
Hey, don't shoot. My daughter will get hurt.
Now see. Madam, I have my bullets are over. You keep on shooting, madam.
There is no bullet.
Madam,
My gun has no
madam,
bullet.
with due respect, I'm asking you, why have you brought this empty gun?
Joy, why you bring without bullets? gun?
Please come fast.
I don't like this kind of noise. Can we not kill them without guns?
Oh, stupid fellow.
Now everything is quiet. I want to know how's my.
I hope he's safe.
We will all die here right now. Am I right?
What a sad life I have. My operation also left. How can I live like this?
Listen, please believe me. Don't give up. Don't worry, you will survive. I will talk to a Korean doctor for you. He will make you beautiful. From head to your toe. After that, your face will become more beautiful than Joy.
Oh, he is worse than me.
But do you know? I have a very good surgery there.
But what happened? Aren't you a woman?
I'm a gay like all of you.
Why did you not tell me this before?
What you do with her if she did so?
I would have think then.
Stupid.
Try to save my daughter first.
They have weapons.
Then you go and die.
What are you saying?
Hey, I'm your boss. Don't try to touch me, okay? Keep watching.
Hey Joy, you look like girl. Why you keeping beard?
Even I had a husband. I used to love him a lot. Very much.
What are you talking? Leave Kimberly ma'am now.
Hey, what do you have called my daughter?
Kimberly boss.
Huh? I named her Summerly.
Continue with your story.
I really used to love my husband a lot.
Hey family, come here.
Call her Kimberly, that's right.
Kimberly ma'am.
The way you're calling it is very harsh.
I used to love my
Don't
husband
repeat
a lot.
same thing many times, please.
I was just saying
don't
it
have
for the
time.
continuity.
This stupid person can't
Time,
understand.
I wasn't afraid. Listen to me. I really love you a lot. And after that,
This is really a very bad story. Very bad story. I don't think you can finish this story. Stop this drama.
I had a wife, but you know, she saw everything and she caught me red-handed.
What are you doing, Dad?
What are you doing here?
Diagnosing dog's ball. He really wanted to do this.
Oh no! I was just trying to cure him for his
I
problems.
hate you and do whatever you want.
Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I love you.
Now also you want to diagnose your balls?
I really miss him a lot even today. So you asked me why I have beards, right? To rub him like this.
Oh my god.
Hey, this bomb is for no use. It's not working. Why are you complaining me? Bomb is like your face.
Hopeless.
So, Mai will notice that we are following him.
Don't worry. I have already spoken to Ringluck. And she will definitely talk to this policeman.
Dr. Yingluck?
Yes.
Dr. Yingluck. They will call us and let us know.
Yes.
Yes.
Boss. Boss.
Yes. What
Wake up.
happened? I was just taking a power nap, you know. Shut up, you all guys.
I think that we should make a negotiation with them. We don't need their money anymore. Yes. We also cannot take him away with us. I think our game is over now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Get up. Yeah, please get up. Oh God.
Yeah, we lose you this time.
We hit it.
We do it.
She is dead.
Yeah.
Get up.
Carefully. I believe you haven't shot my daughter.
Why my back is hurt so
Look
bad?
at your sister. She's dead.
What is this behind me? Blood is coming out.
Pain and blood? That means you are shot.
What do you mean?
I am not being shot.
But the blood is coming out from
no,
you.
it was a packet of blood. It was stirred when I fell. And now it's empty now. It is not good, right?
It's mean you didn't shoot?
Yeah, sure. No scratch at all.
It means you are alive?
Yes, I am.
It's mean he shoot me. Bullets hit me.
Where do you stay?
Where I hurt.
Where? Show it to me. Where? Oh.
But why hit me?
Listen to me. I'm feeling bad for you. But please forgive me. But I called police before sometimes already.
You sit down. Help us to escape from here. Why did you call the cop?
Yes.
Come on.
I help you.
Come on.
Come on.
Madam,
let's go.
let's go.
Come on, get up.
Hey,
Come on,
shut
come
up.
on.
Yes,
Save
yes,
my
be
daughter
careful.
first.
Come on, let's
Come
move.
on, get up.
I've been shot.
I can't see anything.
I was just practicing.
Hey! Police!
What?
Run!
Come fast. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Let's go. Come on.
Hurry up.
Let's
Come
go.
on.
Hurry up.
Oh, we are safe.
Are you okay? Please go. Hurry up.
You are nice from both your mind and face. Leave both of us here. We all will leave here to handle the police.
Yeah,
yes,
okay.
Very good. Yes.
Okay, bye.
Come on, come on.
Come on.
Yeah, okay, bye, bye, bye. See you, yeah? Take care.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Take
too.
care
Just
of
take care of yourself. Go.
Just go. Dr. Yingluck's calling.
Pick up.
Hello, Mon. Pick them from the back door immediately. Are you listening to me? Hello, Mon. Yes, okay.
You stupid idiot. Why have you shot? Idiot. Don't you see that?
I'm sorry.
Hey! Listen. Hey, listen.
You listen. I have a very good news. We all will go to Korea. Yay!
Yes.
Yeah.
What is she
But
talking
what
about?
we'll do?
Listen, even I'll come to Korea with you.
If you want to go, then modify your body first. Come on, let's go. Follow me.
Come on, let's move. Let's move. Get it.
Hey, come on, come on, let's go.
All the police and reporters are here in front of the government house in Jaguatana. We heard that there is a robbery in Jaguatana. Apart from that, there is a lot of damage. Still, there is fight continuing inside. They are using arms. Officer has got a lot of cash money inside, which were kept inside the room. And there is a very big breaking news coming outside that there are 7 women are involved
There
in this
must be
robbery.
100 crore
And
rupees.
and their
How can they
team
forget to
have
take this?
Executed this robbery, and you're watching this news only on our news channel. We have also found that some
Are you
of the
trying to
boys
giving
are
us bribe?
inside the bus. They
I'm
shot
giving for our
using
plastic
guns,
surgery.
and people have died there. The people who were involved in this
Come on,
case
get out.
had got arrested
Beer line, come on.
and jailed for lifetime. People from their gang has shot in point blank range to that policeman, and he's died on the spot. We have a footage, CCTV footage. We have also found a few more evidence in terms of CCTV footage. We can see that the guns fires and the policeman falls down. Investigating officer is working on the current investigation, and they are also into finding the source of 1,000 million. And you're watching this news channel with cameraman Alan Gonzalez.
My, please come with us. I'll pay for you.
How generous you are, madam.
Good news, Mon. You will be treated over there.
You can modify your face there too.
I really don't care about it. I just want to be okay right now.
Then I will tell the cop that who shot you. We'll tell each and everything.
And don't forget to buy a gift for us.
Oh my god, it's really so costly. Come on, trust me.
And what do you want? Some Korean boy?
How's your study going?
Yeah, I know Korean language is difficult, but we'll learn soon. What about you?
All good, brother. I need to work hard more. I haven't been to school since long time.
Yeah, brother, keep trying. One day we'll get success.
Hey, stop.
Hey, from that side.
Hey, run, come on.
Come on. They are over there. Go. Yes, this way. Come on, fast. Quick.
This way. Come on, quick.
Hey, why there are so many?
Are you afraid?
Hey. Yo. Don't mess with my Kont clan gang again. And I'm Park mein Kant.
And my name is Show Me Kant.
Kami.
Kim.
Oh. Kami. Oh. I'm feeling so good right now here.
Oh, Dr. Younglek has told me directly. She told me I'll do operation here. Everything is going to be here very easily.
Oh, people are over here so nice, right?
Yeah.
Madam, I told Madam and Joy that I don't want to do that. But you still force me to do this.
It's easier for you also.
How is that, Madam?
Because your things are very little. And if little thing will fall off then?
Then how can I have fun?
Don't always talk shit.
Oh, come on, just don't worry. Just find anything to put that in the hole. There's so much to find over here.
Oh no, but not today. So I have an appointment with a Korean superstar. That's why I don't have a time.
Superstar of the Korea.
Where is he, Madam? We walk for too long.
Yeah.
Madam,
Yes.
is that a human or statue?
Who can?
Oh, wow.
How are you, sister? Hey, you?
What's up?
What is this? What kind of getup is this?
What happened? I am Tony.
Tony, what is this? Tell me.
I am leaving with Madam for too long.
Oh,
Joy. This is a Ken. Ken, this is a Joy.
hello.
Hi, Joy.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Rick, it's okay for your job? Really?
Really? Thank you so much, Ken.
What kind of job we will do?
It's like a performance.
Yeah, now can even become a superstar now. Superstar or else a normal star also.
Oh, you want to be a superstar? Have you ever heard of the audience?
Even they can't accept you.
I will become a superstar.
What's this?
Madam, why did you hit me?
Is it hurting right now? Oh my god, it's so bad.
Without warning, you hit Yaya.
Now ready to work.
Ma'am,
one picture.
Just one picture.
One picture, please.
Just looking like a mom.
Hey, give it to me.
No, I'll not give it to
Give
you.
it to me.
Oh,
Wow, looking so good.
It's so good. Fantastic.
Wow, lovely. Oh my god, yeah, okay.
Looking so good.
Please don't touch me.
Yeah,
you're gorgeous.
Don't touch me.
Oh, wow.
I'm not kidding.
Hey.
Okay, all right. What are you doing?
oh, you make
Let's
my
go,
day.
let's go.
Yeah, okay, all right. Yeah, come on, stand here.
Looking very cute.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Hey,
one
Give
picture.
me some way.
I don't mean
Let me
that.
take a picture, man. Let me take a
Yeah,
picture
okay.
first.
All right.
Yeah, this is for you.
Okay.
I'll take a
picture.
Yeah, come on. Over there.
I will see all of
I'm
you.
here. Closer.
You are
See the
insulting
camera?
the future
Yeah, man.
superstar.
Everybody.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Come on. Get in together.
Hey, why are you laughing? Do I know the reason of laughing? Till now, we didn't perform. Then why are you laughing? This is the insult of an artist.
Are you father the JD?
Acting is like a performance, ma'am.
Okay, you told us. Don't do overacting.
Acting is just like a performance, madam.
I'll kick your ass.
Each cup is very expensive.
I will not give you a single
My
penny.
name is Ken, not King.
just look at your face. What happened to you?
She has done this.
1, 2, 3, and cheese. Okay, now let's do it. Come on, one more. Cheese. Whoa. Yeah.
ยาวเลย
แอคชั่นตกลงต่อไปฉันจะเป็นผู้นำในการปล้นมาแล้วยาวแอคชั่นตกลงฉันจะเป็นผู้นำในการปล้นครั้งนี้เองใช่สิรู้ดียังฉันก็เกรงรีฉันก็เกรงเยี่ยวเดียวเลย
ว่าแต่น้องพี่เหมือนกันนะครับ
ไม่เป็นเดิมก็เพื่อนพี่เจอเขากับเธออีกแล้วทุกคืนที่เจอเธอก็ยังสวยกว่าตาเวียนขาทุกลายหัวใจผู้ชายต่างกันยกให้เธอปลดไปหมดแล้ว
แล้วตอนนี้ไม่เอาไง
ยิงแม่อยากฉีกเปลือกเข้าไปดูเนื้อในฉันไม่แน่ใจว่าเธอจริงหรือหลอกเพราะว่าร้านมันสะอาดมากแต่เกินกว่าคนทั่วไปต้องเช็คให้ชัวร์ว่าเธอมั่วหรือไม่เธอปล้นไปหมดแล้วเด็กยั่วอารมณ์ตีนกูเนี่ย